Hey guys, so today is Friday and I have a surprise visitor last night, and we ended up going out today. It's such a nice weather to go around the city, and also I think it's her first time going around here. She's actually my cousin from the other parent, so we'll see. And right now we're actually at the back of the National Gallery of Canada, which is one of my favorite places to go whatever mood I'm in. It's just so relaxing here. So I hope you like our short video. It's actually 14 minutes video. Just talking about how deep is the water like a few weeks ago because of the flood, and I think one of these bridges got closed because of it. That's all. As usual, we always have a short visit in the gallery and meet the almighty Maman, the biggest spider in town. Walking to pass by this hotel, and then we were going down to the Rideau Canal. Just from here, it's also called Rideau Waterway, which connects the Canada's capital city of Ottawa to Lake Ontario and St. Lawrence in Kingston. And also, before anything else, here we are acting like a kid. Well, nothing's gonna complain anyway, as long as we're having fun. It's too early in the morning, so we're just trying to enjoy the weather. After the Rideau Canal, and yes, we went at the back of the Parliament Hill where we can have this construction view and the river, of course. We went just in front of the National Gallery of Canada, but it's just a way further. So this is the view in the other side. Because there's so many people. And also we went here at the Spark Street where your beauty will sparks if you came here. Joke. And anyway, this is actually super nice. I think this is one of the popular place here in Ottawa because there's so many things going on here. There's a lot of restaurants, coffee shop, and you can also go shopping at the same time. And after that, there's not much going on yet, and we're on our way to the Rideau Center to get some food because we're super hungry already. We've been walking since morning. And yes, don't forget the models. Ciao.
A big web. It's red. Okay, for the red. Fly, 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 fly. the Nordstorm, the expensive place. Okay, I'm taking video.
Oh,
Hi.
I don't want to pretend I am a tourist.
Yeah, I'm a tourist here too. And we're going to ByWard Market,
Which is somewhere I've never been.
way.
So we're here to look at these beautiful flowers, but I'm not actually buying anything because I'm not that good in plants and they always die with me. So we're just here to look around. And also, if you are looking for some jewelries, they're pretty cheap here and they're pretty cool. I like them, but I think I'm not allowed to use them at work. So again, I'm just here to look around. But she has to go back home now, and so this is all for now, and we probably do something more next time. We probably have more time, and of course as acting like a kid all the time. Thank you, bye. One last thing, don't forget to subscribe for more videos and all my craziness.